A major deal in the hotel industry this morning. Saudi billionaire Prince Alwaleed bin Talal is selling off a stake in Fairmont Raffles, the hotel company, for $847 million. The buyer, a unit of Qatar's sovereign wealth fund. Prince Alwaleed joins us now by phone from Riyadh. Your Royal Highness, thank you very much for joining us. Let me ask you this question first. Why? It's a deal that Fairmont Raffles is a company that Kingdom Holding, your investment firm, owned together with Colony Capital. Why sell a 40% stake to Qatar's sovereign wealth fund?
Yeah, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It's nice to be on your program. You have to understand that the Qatari-owned subsidiary that has signed with us is very much involved in the hotel industry, and they have tens of hotels that are being either built or being negotiated to be acquired by them. So it is very important to add value and add more fees and add more hotels to our brand, which manages now the Fairmont, the Raffles, and the Swiss Hotel. So there'll be very big added value for us because they will supply us with maximum number of hotels that will add to our income stream. And consequently, when we go public, hopefully within the next two to 3 years, this will add dramatic value to us. So they are very much involved in the hotel industry. We are very much involved in it. And this is a very important sovereign wealth fund that has a lot of investments in the hotel arena, and that would like to build bridges with them to hopefully have other investments and other opportunities also.
Your Royal Highness, I just want to confirm a point. You said just a moment ago that you hope to take Fairmont Raffles private in the public, in the next couple of years. Did I hear that correctly?
Oh, for sure, yes. I mean, our idea when we took it to private was to develop it further and do things that we couldn't have done, when the company was public, and strengthen it, make it stronger, and get strong partners like Qatari Diar, and hopefully go public in the near future when the environment is better. And we are already feeling right now that the environment in the hotel industry is improving dramatically.
Your Royal Highness, how do you see the relationship with the Qatar Investment Authority evolving beyond hotels? You already have an investment relationship with Temasek, the Singapore Sovereign Wealth Fund. Might it take a similar shape? Do you expect to do other ventures?
You have to understand that Kingdom Holding is an investment company that has alliances with many groups. For example, we are in partnership with Mr. Bill Gates' Cascade in taking Four Seasons private several years ago. We are also in partnership with Temasek of Singapore, the investment arm of the Singapore government, whereby they invested with us in Kingdom Zephyr, that is full-fledged operation that invests in Africa. And now this deal was announced with Qatar. So yes, we are building a huge network with all these huge sovereign wealth funds and big individuals such as Bill Gates to fully mobilize to invest in any opportunity that comes to us in the future, in hotels and otherwise.
Your Royal Highness, one quick question. We've been reporting this morning on Tim Geithner's decision to delay that key currency report on China. You do know a lot about discreet and delicate negotiations with proud nations such as China. How do you feel about his move to delay that report?
I fully support Mr. Geithner's position. I think with China you have to go easy. You have to go step by step. And at the end of the day, China is the biggest lender in the United States. So I think his decision was very wise, and I fully support it.
Your Royal Highness, thank you very much. We've been speaking with Saudi Prince Alwaleed bin Talal about China and the yuan, as well as his big deal this morning to sell a stake in Fairmont Raffles to a unit of the Qatari Investment Authority.